And Kate is continuing to track Delta and conditions here at home. She joins us from the CBS 3 Weather Center. Hi, Kate.
Hi there, Jessica. Yeah, we just got the latest update as of 11 o'clock on Hurricane Delta. It is still a Category 4 hurricane. It has weakened slightly. Winds have gone from 145 miles per hour to 130 miles per hour, but this is still a very dangerous and deadly storm, and it is poised overnight to crash right into the Yucatan Peninsula, putting Cancun, a very populated resort area, right in the thick of it. You can see the path of this storm as it cuts across Cancun right about here on the tip of the peninsula, and that would put it right on the right front quadrant of that landfalling storm. Always the most dangerous part of a landfalling storm is that right front quadrant. If you cut it into squares, you can see what I mean, that right front square, the area that will be hit hardest. And you can follow that right front square right into eastern Louisiana as well as this storm continues to make it through the Gulf of Mexico. It is expected to weaken briefly to a Cat 3, then regain Category 4 strength and make landfall Friday night, likely right along the mid-coast of Louisiana as either a strong Cat 3 or possibly even a Category 4 hurricane, and then move inland. And you can see how that cone of concern really widens once we get into early next week, as uncertainty is high as to what the storm is going to do after it makes landfall. But some stats on Delta: it's the third Category 4 storm of this very, very busy hurricane season. It went from tropical depression to Cat 4. It blew up in 36 hours. It's the strongest Greek alphabet name storm on record, and it's going to be the fourth Gulf Coast landfall of the season. In addition, it may be the 10th named storm to make landfall in the United States this year, which would be a record. So the record-setting season does continue with Delta. We will keep you posted. Right now it's quiet here at home, but we may tap into some of Delta's moisture as we get through the 7-day forecast. I'll have more on that in just a moment. Right now 61, clear, cool, beautiful outside tonight. And right now on Storm Scan 3 there's nothing going on, but there is going to be a front approaching from the north and west tomorrow. It'll come through mainly in the evening. Tonight is mainly clear and quiet with areas of fog developing, and a low of 54. Tomorrow 78 degrees, windy and very warm. Front comes through late evening. It should come through dry, but out ahead of it, winds will surge. Winds could gust over 30 miles an hour briefly here in the afternoon, and then winds switch behind the front, coming in out of the north and west, bringing in cooler air. So low chances of precipitation, but they do creep upward Sunday and Monday. And two scenarios to look at with the remnant moisture from Delta. The GFS model brings the rain north. It will be a rainy Monday. In that scenario, the European model keeps the rain to the south with just a few showers Monday into Tuesday. We will keep you posted as that storm gets closer as far as what Delta's rain will do. Your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast: a quiet end to the week, much cooler Thursday and Friday behind that front, warmer and muggier on Saturday, then watching Sunday into Monday for a rain chance from what will then be the remnants of Hurricane Delta. Jessica, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.